If you're looking for a smarter way to transfer money internationally, OFX just gave you a golden ticket. OFX no-fee first transfer. This isn't just a marketing hook. It's a genuine chance to save money on global transactions while enjoying enterprise-grade service. Let's dive into 6 powerful facts about OFX's no-fee first transfer you won't find anywhere else online. First-time fee waiver is stackable with currency advantage. OFX allows first-time users to combine zero transfer fees with competitive exchange rates, giving up to 2.5% more value compared to banks. Transfer amount boost with partner codes. Partner sites like Wise Monks and Send Money Now often offer promo codes that boost the zero-fee transfer limit up to $20,000, unlike the default $10,000. OFX's 24/7 currency concierge. Unlike other platforms, OFX offers live dealer support 24/7, helping you lock in favorable rates even when banks are closed. Delayed settlement option for high-value clients. OFX allows a unique option where high-value users can initiate a transfer, but settle it within 48 hours, helpful for fluctuating exchange rates. Integrated tax reports for expats. OFX provides downloadable region-specific tax documentation, helping freelancers and remote workers remain compliant with local financial laws. Real-time exchange rate alerts with auto-transfer. Set a target rate and let OFX auto-execute your transfer when that rate is achieved, saving time and anxiety. Now let's talk fee comparison. Unlike banks that charge $30 to $50 flat fees plus hidden markup on exchange rates, and even compared to TransferWise or Remitly, which apply up to 1.5% total cost, OFX charges 0% for the first transfer and as low as 0.4 to 0.6% thereafter, depending on the volume. Plus, OFX has no receiving fees in most major currencies. Platforms like PayPal or Zoom may charge you receiving costs or apply poor conversion rates. To access the OFX no-fee transfer, visit www.ofx.com and sign up. Remember to activate your offer during sign-up or through a partner link to maximize benefits.